Wagwan. Alright, today, so you know, we're there in Jamaica and we decided so we're gonna do some outdoor cooking. I talk about outdoor cooking, some real country cooking outside, some wood fire, pot on the rock stone, and just like that. So right now, few friends, few family have come over. And I decided say, you know what, I'm just cook some curry chicken and some fried chicken and white rice. Yeah, so at that we're gonna prepare today. So right now, so now just tune in and see what's up, see what go on. Yeah, so right here we have some chicken. We're gonna do some curry and we're gonna do some fry. So right now I'm gonna separate the one I'm gonna curry. I'm gonna cut them up. Yeah, so these ones I'm gonna curry. Yeah, and these ones over here, so I'm gonna fry them. All right, so just watch and see how I clean it up. Yes guys, so as you can see, get the curry prepared now. You know, when we do a curry, we take off the skin. Yeah man, just like that, you know. One thing with them knife here, they're really sharp. Really sharp. Yeah. Yeah man. Make sure say clean off the chicken well good, you know. Just like that. Yeah man. See me have a big chopper here. Trust me. Just chop anything, you know. Just like that. Yeah man. Just like that guys. See that? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go and cut out the chicken, clean it up, and then get it ready. Yeah man, check him back in a bit. Alright. So right now, see Uncle Kids is up on the farming. Right now I'm just going to spray in garden, so just come here and give me two sweet pepper. How are them the Uncle Kinsey? Sweet pepper them? Yeah, the fattest. What do you mean? Bless up Uncle Kinsey. Thanks, here. Yeah man. Alright. Got that. So now I'm going to wash this and get it ready. See right here guys, so I have some water with vinegar. These are I'm gonna wash the meat in. Yeah man. Yeah. Daddy I come from garden. Real country life, you know?
Carrot, potato, scallion.
Alright, so look at this. Ah, some potato, carrot, scallion. Just like that. Look at this guys, look at this. Look at this sweet potato. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna cut up all my vegetables and stuff for the curry or I'll season it up. So right here we have some sweet pepper, some scallion, some onion, garlic, ginger, and some thyme. Alright, so and these vegetables right here, fresh from the garden, just pick. Thyme fresh, see, sweet pepper fresh, just pick, and then the onion and we get them a few days ago, and you don't know the ginger, garlic, yeah man, and the scallion. All of these just pick from out the garden fresh, so you know you get the real deal. Yeah. Just like that. And see, you can see all the red dirt them on the scallion, so you know, so them just pick. So yeah, just gonna trim it off. Yeah. Yeah man, just like that. Put in the water and make it. Yeah man. So I have one white onion and one red onion. I'm gonna show you all the season I'm gonna use. Chicken season, all-purpose season, black pepper, and better pack curry. Curry is a thing where stain up your hand, right? So put a little bit of oil. I don't have any gloves, so that's the thing. So right now I'm gonna add some chicken season. just like that, guys. Alright, guys. This is the all-purpose season I'm adding right now. Yep, just like that. And see here, guys, I'm gonna add some black pepper. See? Yep. So now you don't know you have your better pack right here. Yeah, man. See, just like that, guys. Yeah. Nice. Although I'm gonna burn some of the curry, but you don't know it already, guys. See there? Better pack. Yeah. So now I'm gonna cut up my vegetables. So see the vegetables them I have here, so clean them off, have them in the water. Yeah, man. So I cut them up now, you know? Yeah, man. See? Yeah. So alright, guys, now just pepper, sweet pepper. Yeah. Cut that. As you say, you know, we get the outdoor country lifestyle, you know. Outside I cut up all the vegetables and here I bird them in the background. Then now the garlic, then now I'm cut it up, dice it up fine, you know? Yeah. And ginger, I'll leave it like that, you know. Because sometimes you will mistake a ginger for a piece of chicken, you know. Yeah, so right now we do the red onion, dice it up same way. I know other people do they curry chicken or then curry goat a different way, but you know, this is how I do it. Yeah, man. Just like that. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Just like that, guys. You have to be careful what you're doing, because this knife is really sharp, so yeah. Just like that, guys. If you could only smell this right now. Fresh. So right now I'm ready to get my hand curry. Yup. Alright, so right now, guys, I'm gonna season up the curry chicken. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. If you guys could only smell the fresh, the scallion, the thyme, the sweet pepper, and then all the seasoning. Gosh, look there. Look there, as you can see, the thyme, sweet pepper, and the scallion. Gosh, and the onion. So right now, I'm just gonna put this down and keep going and marinate, and then we're gonna get the fried chicken ready and prepare up now. All right, so we're checking back in a bit. Yeah. Yes, guys, so right now, yeah, man, curry ready. Look at that, guys. Kind of richness. Oh God. Yeah, man.
Right in the middle.
So you want to split in the middle, daddy?
Yeah, man.
Look at that, guy. Aye.
What is it?
Yeah, man. Real, real yard vibes. Yeah, man. Right now, we're not there abroad. Right now, we're there yard. Now, the outside we yard. I cook up a pot, you know. So, Daddy, where you put the sponge for? If catch it,
Yeah,
if you
man.
blaze it.
You know, sir.
See this guy. Cut that. So, you want some kring kring.
Yeah, man.
Remember the name the guys? Kring kring. Yeah, man.
All the African, they must speak that word.
Kring kring.
Yeah, man.
Well, you know, I see him.
I have used catch the fire.
Yes. And that I touch. That come from a touch, guys. You can't get it no more crunchier than this still, you know. Get it the real way. See, so Daddy I make up the fire here. So I'm just party with the kring kring and the bottom. I put a piece of sponge at the bottom, but you know. So you use light your fire, Daddy? Gasoline?
Yeah, man.
See? Right there, so I'm having kerosene oil. That is it. I'm telling you guys, country life nice, you know. The best.
Yeah, man. True, man.
Alright, so you go see what Daddy
Oh, yeah.
I go do with that now. So that's the ashes from the wood. So the reason why in putting the ashes around the pot, so when you put the pot on the fire, it doesn't burn and doesn't black out the pot. You know? Yeah. Yeah.
Come, you have to come in there.
Look at this, guys. Nice. Alright, so right now, pot will add some bit of oil, you know. Alright, guys, so you see me add some oil there. So now I'm gonna burn my curry. Better pack. Yeah. See that, guys? You keep on turning it. You have the give me chicken, Daddy. Yeah, that's alright, guys. See? So brown the curry turning. Yeah, man. See there? Alright, look at that, guys. That. Got these guys, so some keep going. Look at the curry, look at that, guys, look at the curry. Oh god. Gosh. Look at this, guys. Yeah, man. So the curry that burn, just mix it up. If you guys could just smell all the seasoning, you smell it? Yeah, man. Make sure say your pot a blaze up, you know. Look at that, guys. Curry chicken.
Yeah, man.
See, a piece of cardboard box, I have to use all the pot because trust me, the pot hot. Nothing like. Yeah. Yeah, man, look at that. So right now, I'll cover the pot, you know. Yeah, make it go on. Yeah. That is it. Show you the real outdoor cooking. I cook some curry chicken today and some fried chicken. Alright. I will check in on the pot and see how it is. Alright. Oh gosh, look there guys. See all the water? Yeah man, I rest my pot here so oh gosh. If you guys could only smell. Yo, I have to watch on the hole this in the hot in the man. Look at that guys. Yeah man, yes good, flavor up. I'm gonna add my hot scotch bonnet yet, I'm gonna add it just now. Yeah man, I have to go fix the pot to the pot kinda lean. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm just gonna add some water on my curry chicken. Yeah. Alright guys, so you see me add some water, add some fresh scallion. Cut it up big. Yeah, and some thyme. Alright, so I cut up my scallion and my thyme. Hot scotch bonnet pepper. I don't even know how hot this be, but I just cut in a half. And just drop it in there, you know? Yeah, just like that. So that. Yeah man. Make that go and simmer down now. Pot soon ready. Look at that guy, look at the richness. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah man, you see where we gravy too, you know? Nice. Look at this guys. See? Make sure so we have a gravy, you know? Yeah. Eat the next test. Taste test, you know? Yeah. Like curry chicken now. Yeah. Blaze up at the fire underneath it, you know? Yeah, that is it. Yes guys, look at that. Ready, you know. See, I want some gravy on it too, so that's why you see me have so much gravy on it. Because when I do the fried chicken, I'm not going to really make no other gravy, but get a one taste, you know. Yeah man, the right thing man, tastes good. Proper. So I make it go and simmer down for a bit like this, and then we'll take it off. Alright, so we'll soon check in back. Yeah. Alright, look at that guys. Yeah man, see it there? Curry chicken just take off. Okay guys, so right now we are gonna wash and clean up the fried chicken and season it up right now. So we'll get the fried chicken prepared. Alright? Yeah. So when you have a meat like this now, you know, so you're gonna poke some hole in it, you know, stab it up. Yeah. Right now, finish cut up and clean up and wash up the chicken. So now I'm gonna season up the chicken. Now you don't know chicken season, Maggi. Alright. Now do your fried chicken and you have to make sure it's well seasoned and nice, you know. That is it. Yeah. Then now we have an all-purpose Maggi. Yeah. Yeah, man. Then we have some black pepper here. Not too much still, you know? Yeah. That is it. So now I will get some vegetables cut up in this. Alright? Yeah. See? Wash off the vegetables we will put in our fried chicken. A little bit more water. See there? The sweet pepper, thyme, and a little bit of scallion. Come on. Alright. See there, guys? Yeah, man. Cut up a sweet pepper in it, you know? Yes, guys, so look at that now. So, yeah, man, I'll season it up, you know? Rub it up and thing. Yeah. Look there, guys. Yeah, man. Make it go on. Yeah, you know? Smell it already. The aroma where come from this, guys. Oh gosh. So here, guys. Oh gosh, look there. So right now, guys, I finish season up my fried chicken. So now I make it go and simmer down till I'm ready to fry it. Alright? So we'll soon check in back. Yeah. Alright, guys. So right now, look how big that pot to be. You know, it's a fried chicken pot this, right? So as you can see, the wood fire a blaze. Yeah, man. So catch on the pot. It run on one side and a catch good. Yeah. Yeah. That is it, guys. So right now I get that ready for fried chicken. Alright, so now make sure say fire blaze good. Yeah, man, that is it. Alright, guys, so right now we're gonna do the fried chicken. Just as you see, we just finished the curry chicken, so now we'll get ready for the fried chicken. Alright. So as you can see, I done add my cooking oil in here already. So I'm just make it go on get it warm before I can start fry up my chicken, you know. Yeah, so right now I'll season up some. Season up the flour I use. I'll put too much, you know, because it already seasoned, you know. See right, you know? Yeah. Right, that's why I just put all purpose and my chicken season. Now just add a little black pepper, not too much. Yeah. Alright, guys, so see it there? Flour, just mix it up, you know. Some people use egg, as I'm saying, other people when they cook or when they do them fried chicken, they probably do it different, but this is the way how me do it still, you know. Yeah, man, just like that. So look at these chicken, guys. We have here, so we season and have it a marinate. Yeah, man. check the pot. Alright guys, so I have 2 pepper here, hot scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna drop it in there. See it there? Yeah man. Almost ready. Alright. See it there guys, so cut that. Look how big this chicken is. Yum. Just like that. Yeah man. Yes. Wow, look at that guys. See, make sure to flour them. Yeah man. You like that? No. Yeah, that is it. Look at that guys. Yeah man, it's more pretty, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, so look at this. Yeah man. It's going nice. Yeah man. Look at that. Look at that guys. Wow. Alright guys, so look at this. Yeah man, just like that. Yeah. See? Look at this guys. Yeah. Yeah man. Look at that guys. Yes. Look at that guys. Nice and brown and pretty, you know. Right now chicken in this will fall off a bone. Well fried. Well fried. Wow. Look at that guys. Nice. Brown and pretty. Ready. ready for your next batch, you know. That is it. Alright guys, so we're on the last batch of chicken right now, fried chicken. Yeah, look at it. Nice, brown and pretty. Yeah man, soon take it out, you know. Yeah man. Nice. Yeah, make that go on. We'll soon show you when you have to cut it, see? Alright. That is it. Yes guys, the food really nice. Yeah man, tastes good. I see we have a fried chicken and see it there. What you say about the food, daddy?
Food nice, man.
Yeah. What you say, Uncle Kinsey?
Yeah man, food nice.
Nice. Yeah man.
Nice and spicy.
Nice and spicy. Alright, sir. As I was saying, guys. Food nice. Everybody enjoy it. A whole heap of people, people around our front, so that is it, you know.